Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Juliet and in today's video we are going to be talking about how I deal with monthly rollover in YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. You Need a Budget is a budgeting software. It is literally the best budgeting software there is out there. I love it so much and it has really given me a lot of confidence and comfort in my finances. I do have a referral link down below if you'd like to give it a try for 1 month. Actually, it's 34 days, which I think is pretty unique. But if you sign up for a subscription through my link after your 34-day free trial, you will get 1 month free, which is awesome. I will also get a month free, so it is a win-win for the both of us. Let's go ahead and talk about how I handle monthly rollover. We will also be rearranging some money in my budget to accommodate for the upcoming tax season and be handling some overspending. So let's actually go back into 2022. Specifically, December 2022, I did have some overspending. This was in my personal care category. So I went to Ulta on December 30th. I used $18 in cash and put the rest on card. This $12.63 of overspending comes from. So I can handle this with some money also in my personal spending category group. I have some money in my food and drinks that will cover this overspending perfectly. So I'll hit OK, and then the overspending is gone. So that is awesome. And then let's go back into January 2023. So this $40.06 that is in the ready to assign is actually money that I earned in interest from my high yield savings account. So I'm going to go ahead and actually put this towards all of this actually towards my taxes. I have done a little bit of math. I'm not a CPA, but just from what I can tell from the math I did last night, I don't have enough money available for the 2023 tax season that would deal with, money I made in 2022. So that freaks me out a little bit, and I know that I really want to be prepared for tax season. So I'm going to put all $40.06 into here just to have more money in there. I will also be putting a lot more money in here. I believe I'll need around 4,000-ish dollars for my taxes if I do owe anything, just from like side income that I've made, like 1099 kind of vibes. I will also probably need more money for an accountant since I looked up an accountant local to me and they start at $500 for preparing personal taxes. And I only have $250 in here. So I definitely need some more money. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, I don't know why that was unselected. Anyways, what I'm going to do is we're going to handle the rollover first. So I can take rollover from my monthly variable expenses. That would be, things like groceries, gas, Amazon subscribe and save, parking if I need to park downtown where I work, and Peach Pass, which is Georgia Expressways. I can click this entire category and reduce overfunding. This will move the $270.90 to my ready to assign. And so now you can see that my monthly variable expenses, for example, groceries, I need $450 in this, and I do have $450 available, whereas before I had over that amount, which would indicate that I had overfunding. But now these categories don't have any overfunding. I have the exact amounts that I feel comfortable having on a month-to-month basis, and I can go ahead and put this in other places in my budget. The first thing I need to do is handle this Amazon subscribe and save. We have upped our Amazon subscribe and save the number of items up a little bit. So I'm just gonna put in that $1.44 to make this $40. So not that big of a deal, but let's go ahead and put this money, this ready to assign money, into my taxes. So I'm going to go ahead and put $50 into my CPA. I'm also going to put, well, actually, let's hold on a second. I do want to go back up to my car category and handle card maintenance because I am going to go get some like 6-month maintenance on my car. My car is under the manufacturer's warranty, but just in case there's something they need to do that's not covered under warranty, I want to make sure that I'm covered there. I do drive a Lexus, which is apparently not that expensive to repair compared to, other like German cars, which I have had a German car in the past and that was very expensive. But I'm hoping that Japanese cars really do live up to their claims and is not too bad to repair if there is anything that's not covered under warranty. But I'm going to add $80 in here, bump this available amount to $300. And then the rest, the $139.46, is going to go towards my taxes. All right. So another thing I want to do is um, not having enough money in my taxes kind of scares me. I definitely don't want to mess with the IRS. So I'm not going to take it from my emergency fund. That is literally if I go get my taxes filed and I seriously need more money, that's when I would start pulling from my emergency fund. However, I can start pulling from categories that I guess is not necessary for me to have at this moment. So for example, this technology fund right here. I have $36, which, I'm not thinking about getting a new computer or a new iPhone or an iPad anytime soon. Hopefully nothing breaks, but I can go ahead and scrape the money from these categories. And that will actually really help. Actually, let me reset the available amounts. That will give me all $36. And then I can add the $36 into my taxes. So that's good. I can also take money from my holidays group. Um, you know, as much as I love my mom, I like having money for taxes a little bit more because I can't really provide for my mom if I owe a big bill to the IRS. So I'm going to reset the available amounts for Mother's Day and Christmas. That will give me $190 that I can add to my tax category. And then the next thing I can do, I can also scrape money from this birthdays and gift giving category group. And that will give me $70 that I can put towards here. And again, like I'm just trying to make sure I'm covered. I need about $4,100. That's what I'm estimating. I'm not a CPA. I'm just pretty much taking like the total amount I made from side income alone, multiplying that by 30%, and that's $4,100. And I I have $3,200 in here right now. So that would mean I need $900 before I file my taxes to feel, I guess, comfortable. So this is just my average person estimation. I'm not a CPA. I need to talk to a CPA. So unfortunately, that means that these category groups, the technology, the holidays, and the birthdays and gift giving, do have to be put on the back burner, but it's for a good cause, and I can always replenish these once tax season is done and I know I'm in the clear. So anyways, that is how I handle monthly rollover. That is how, I'm kind of rearranging my budget for right now. It is a new year. I do have new benefits for my company that I work for. So I actually don't know how much my paychecks will be from here on out. So I'm very excited for the next budget with me. So you can stay tuned for that. I will also be having a December spending report video that you can look forward to. And yeah, I'm just very excited for the new year. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. Everything really helps my channel. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.